This portable ionic hair dryer operates at an impressive 160,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring rapid drying for all hair types. It emits 500 million negative ions, which help reduce frizz and enhance hair smoothness for a sleek finish. The low-noise design makes it an excellent choice for those who prefer a quieter styling experience. Included with the hair dryer are a diffuser and nozzle, offering versatile styling options for various hair textures. Its lightweight construction is ideal for both home use and travel, making it a convenient companion anywhere you go. The stylish pink design adds a touch of elegance to your daily grooming routine, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal.